Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be removing this set that I did about 3 weeks ago. This is a polygel set that I did a Halloween design with, my first Halloween design. I think they turned out really cute, and actually they've held up really nice. I don't have any lifting or anything whatsoever, but I have to remove them because I'm going to Vegas and I've never been there before. Super excited. It's my first time, and then for my husband, it's his third time. I think he might be done with Vegas at this point, but it's going to be so much fun, and your girl needs a full matching set to go to Vegas. So stay tuned to the end of the video because I do have some footage for you guys of just everything that we kind of did and what we saw and things like that. It just turned out really cool. So first I'm going in with my e-file. I'm going to remove these. I was a maniac trying to remove these. For whatever reason, my file and I were not getting along, and I must have nicked my cuticle, I don't know, on all of them. I was just impatient, I guess, too eager to go on vacation. I don't want to bore you with the entire removal. It takes me about 20-25 minutes to remove this set. I'm using my non-dominant hand, so it does take me a little bit longer since I feel like I don't have as much control and it just feels awkward, you know. But for today's video, I'm using some products from One Day Saving. They reached out to me about 2 weeks ago, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and asked me to pick out some stuff from their website. So I looked around, seen what I liked, and first thing I picked out was the soft gel tips in stiletto. These are short stiletto. I don't have any short stiletto nails, so I wanted to grab those. I also grabbed this cute little crown. This is a brush holder. I don't have one, and I'm always throwing my pens and stuff or my little paintbrushes and things like that on the table, which gets stuck to the table since they have like gel paint on them and stuff. It was missing like one little rhinestone, but you can't really tell. This is how you would use that for your brushes and just things that you're using for your nails. The next thing I grabbed was this little kabuki brush thing. So it did look a little bit bigger on the website, but honestly it does the job. It's really soft and I like the colors on it. So I'm going to use this as my little dusty brush. I also grabbed this gel polish remover. I have used one of these in the past. So basically what you do is you put this over gel polish that is cured, and it basically dissolves the gel polish without you having to go through the hassle of acetone. Unfortunately, this was as hard as a rock and the brush was crusty and gross, and I was not able to use that, unfortunately. Now I'm going to go through, I'm going to size out my tips, and I'm just going to take each one and just kind of pick whatever one fits my nail sidewall to sidewall. I really do like that these are already pre-etched. I think that's really convenient, and it skips a step so you don't have to take an e-file or a nail file to scratch the inside up. I do have super wide thumbs, so keep in mind that this is the biggest size, and it fit my nail perfectly, which was really nice. Sometimes I can't find tips that actually cover my thumbnail sidewall to sidewall, but this did fit perfectly. Once I have all 10 of my sizes picked out, I'm going to go through with my e-file and rough up the surface of my natural nail with a sanding band to remove that shine. I'm then going to add some base coat, and that's going to be cured in the lamp for about 30 to 45 seconds. Because we're using a soft gel tip, you're going to need some kind of glue or rubber base to put those on or cure them on. I'm going to be using the LGN Pro rubber base gel. It's got a really nice thick viscosity to it, and it just does a really good job in holding the nails on. This is how we're looking after everything has been cured on and cured in the lamp for a full minute. I'm just going to go through with a hand file and just kind of reshape some of those nails and just make them a little more pointy. Then I'm going to take my e-file again and just go around the cuticle to make that look a little more flush to my natural nail. For my base layer, I'm going to be taking this light nudie pink from C&D. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this onto all of my nails, and then we're going to add a design on top of that. I really liked the way that this looked actually on both my hands, and I was just going to leave it, but then I was like, I can't do that. I got to add a little something to it. So I'm going to be taking some of this chrome powder that I got from AliExpress, and I'm going to be placing that on my middle finger and also my pinky. Then I'm going to go through with some reflective glitters, and we're going to do something fun with that as well. When using chrome powder, you do want to use a thicker top coat, or you'll have to apply multiple thinner top coats. It's just easier to use a thicker one, so yeah, do that, otherwise it'll separate on the nail.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
This is how we are looking, and I'm pretty happy with that, so I go through and I repeat the same design on my other hand. This is the finished look. I think it's really, really cute. It's perfect. It goes with all of my jewelry and like outfits that I had planned, and this glitter is just so, so pretty. And I actually really like the shape of these nails. Everything that I picked out was about $16 in total, and they always have like discounts on their website as well. I think that's a really great price for the quality of the nails that I got. Overall, I'm pretty happy with everything, and I do a wear test throughout my trip, just so you know. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you enjoy our little adventures that we had in Vegas. Thank you for watching. is day 7. And they are on really good still. No lifting. And they still look really good. We are back home. This is day 9 of these nails. Everything is still on really good. I could easily get another week out of these. So I'm pretty impressed with these nails. It's 50 here. Daughter's not happy. Back to reality.